Guys, this is Christy from my Workout Buddy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a tropical smoothie ice cream. The reason I say smoothie ice cream is because texture-wise, the way I make it, it's going to be more like an ice cream. You're eating it with a spoon and out of a bowl, but you have the option, of course, to make it so that it's on the go and in a cup that you're taking with you. So here we go. The ingredients are pretty simple, and you can get them at the grocery store year-round. I love to eat seasonal, but when you're buying frozen, you can have it any time of the year, which is pretty cool. So this one, it's pineapples, it's mango, a little bit of coconut water, whey protein powder, and some sweeteners that are a little lower in sugar, if not completely sugar-free. And that's entirely up to you. If you want your kind of sweetener, you do you. All right. So 1 cup of pineapple is 70 calories. It's really great in potassium, 150 milligrams. It's not listing the C here, but I happen to know that the vitamin C is actually way up on that. Same with the mango. You're getting a lot of vitamins here. Really great on the antioxidants. So you're just going to eyeball it here. Usually I like to say 1 inch at the bottom of the blender. And I'd say pineapple-wise, we got that covered. And I'm going to kind of match the amount here with the mango. It's a pretty subtle flavor, so you don't need to put a whole lot into it. Yeah, that should be enough. And I don't know if you can see that, but 2 different really beautiful colors going on there. And let's say there's a little bit of vitamin A in this guy. Oh, yes, 20% of your daily. Vitamin C, 60 milligrams, so that's 60%. So this is really kind of a superstar combination between these 2 guys for vitamins and deliciousness. All right, so a little bit of coconut, just, it changes the texture a bit, and not everybody's a fan. Omit it if you want to. And I would say, I like to cup the hand and use about a tablespoon, which is whatever you can fill the bottom of your palm, right there. So right here would be a tablespoon, or not a tablespoon. Gonna do a scoop of whey protein powder, but the protein source is up to you. If you like pea protein, if you prefer Greek yogurt, maybe you don't want to put any protein in it at all. That's also okay. If you just want it to be a fruit smoothie, ice cream level, that's great. All right, so I like to sweeten it a little bit with stevia, just to give it a little bit of a punch, not much. Right there, tablespoon. And then a bit of Carrie's just to kind of blend it all together. 1 little squirt with fabulous sound effects. And then coconut water. Now this is up to you. If you want it a bit creamier, you can use your milk. You can use water from the tap or your bottled water or whatever it is you like. What I love about coconut water, aside from the fact that it kind of goes with this whole tropical theme, is the potassium is way up there. This is one of those things, if you got yourself a cup of potassium, right? This coconut water, right? Let's see, 470 milligrams, 13% of your daily value. So instead of having a banana, which I don't think, it might just be half of that. People always think this is such a powerhouse, a banana with potassium. Coconut water has more. So, if you have a lot of foot cramps and stuff, it's really great. All right, so here, I'm not going to cover my ingredients with the liquid. I'm, just barely adding in, and we're going to blend it now. And it's just going to be the consistency very slowly. It's going to take a little bit, the consistency of ice cream. So it just takes a moment to blend. Now, you're gonna have to take a spoon and a bowl. Bowls are helpful. take the blender apart for a sec and just, you know, smush the ingredients back down under the blades and make sure everything is all in there again. And the consistency is already looking pretty good. It doesn't drop off the spoon too easily. It's not terribly liquidy, so there's just the right amount of ingredients to make it more the consistency of ice cream. Just to take the rest of the chunks down to a more fluffy consistency. And just remember, you really don't want to blend it too long or it becomes like really light and fluffy and airy and it stops having that ice cream feel to it. And really you've started to kind of melt the broken down fruit into liquid. So you want really to avoid that. All right, so this is ready. Check that out. So obviously you can add more of the coconut water or whatever liquid you've chosen to use and turn it into a beverage. But here, my favorite is making ice cream. Tropical flavored mango pineapple with coconut ice cream. Fantastic for breakfast, wonderful dessert, great snack, or a post-workout meal. Enjoy. If you love this, please hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments or suggestions or maybe a way you would do it differently, please go ahead and add it down in comments and I will respond. I cannot wait to hear what you have to say and if you've tried it. Thanks and have a great day.